Hello everyone. How to take inward if request amendment is showing on the PO. In this example, request amendment is showing. You can very well go ahead, click on create document, click on inward document, and you can create your inward from here. It has taken the document number. You can select the store. You can enter the delivered quantity and click on save and send. Here, the inward document is created. Click on view transaction. Now, even if request amendment was showing, it allowed me to create inward document. Unfortunately, I will not be able to amend my purchase order now, as inward document has already been created against this PO. So, we suggest to amend the PO first. If required, then only create the inward. If no amendment is required, you can very well go ahead and create the inward document. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.